Alright everyone, so let's do it together. How to solve question exercise 6.1a. So read the question together. The manager of catering company is studying the relationship between the number of students boarding schools and the winning bids of catering prices per student. So if we look at here, there are two variables. So the manager wants to study the relationship between number of students in the boarding school and the winning bids catering price per student. So there are two data here, number of students and the winning bid price. So if you look at here, when the number of students is 300, the winning bid price is 12 ringgit. When number of students is 350, the winning bid price per student is RM11 ringgit 80 cents. And when the number of students is 650, the winning bid price per student is RM 10 ringgit and 50 cents. Okay, question number 1. Identify the dependent and the independent variables. So what is your X? What is your Y? What depends on what? Is it number of students depend on winning bid, or winning bid price depends on number of students? Okay, try to answer. Right, so the answer is X will be the number of students, and Y, your dependent variable, will be the winning bid price. So the winning bid price will depend on the number of students. Once the number of students is changes, the winning bid price will be changed. Okay, number 2, draw a scatter diagram and state the type of relationship between the sales and advertising expenditure. So you can just plot, you can just sketch your X and Y. So I will just sketch, this is just a sketching, okay? My X and Y. My Y is the winning bid, my X is the number of students. So as we can see here, as number of students increasing, the winning bid price is decreasing. So we will have like this. Oops, sorry. So if we look at here, our scatter plot, the direction is negative. So we call it as negative correlation, because as X increase, Y decrease. X increase, Y decrease. So it is a negative correlation. Okay, number 3. Calculate the Pearson correlation coefficient. So the question asks for R, then explain the result. So you need to find the R and explain what does it mean by your R. So what is the formula to find R? So look at your stat table page 7. You will have R is equals to SXY divided by SXX SYY. So you need to find what is SXY, what is SXX, what is YY. So the first step you need to know is our N. Our N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So N equals to 8. And then summation of X. Summation of X means that hasil tambah independent variable. The summation of the independent variable. So 300 plus 350 plus 400 plus 450 plus 500 plus 550 plus 600 plus 650. So press your calculator. What did you get? So my answer is 38,000. Next, summation of x square. Summation of x square is, you have to square the x. 300 square plus 350 square plus 400 square plus 450 square plus 500 square plus 550 square plus 600 square plus 650 square. So what did you get your summation of x square? My answer is 191,000. Okay, next. Summation of y. Summation of y is hasil tambah dependent variable. So 12 plus 11.8 plus 11.5 plus 11.5 plus 11 plus 10.8 plus 10.5 plus 10.5. So the answer is 89.6. Next, summation of y square. So you have to square the y. 12 square plus 11.8 square plus 11.5 square plus 11.5 square plus 11 square plus 10.8 square plus 10.5 square plus 10.5 square. So the value here is 1005.88. And the last one is the summation of x, y. So summation of x, y. Summation of x, y. 300 times 12 plus 350 times 11.8 plus 400 times 11.5 until 650 times 10.5. So here you will get 42070. So you can check your calculator, is it correct or not. And then next, how to find SXX. SXX is equals to summation of x square 191,000 minus summation of x 380 square divided by n, 8. So SXX is equals to 105,000. Okay. SYY is equals to summation of y square 105.88 minus summation of y 89.6 divided by 8. So here you will get 2.36. And the last one here is SXY. Summation of XY 42070 minus summation of X 3800 times summation of Y 89.6 divided by 8. So here you will get negative 490. Okay, check one by one. We have the SXX, SYY, SXY. Now your R. R is equals to Sxy negative 490 divide by square root of Sxx 10500 times 2.36. So the answer here is negative 0.9843. So this is your R, the correlation coefficient. So how to interpret negative? So strong negative correlation. Okay, done. So you may check the answer with your calculator.